Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing restocking my refrigerator and cleaning, actually deep clean. I just came back from the supermarket and you guys can see all my stuff is on the floor. So as a mom of four, the fridge is always busy. The kids open the fridge like 100 times a day. Before I start with my restocking, I always take out all my food stuff from the fridge and then leave the fridge empty, so I'll be able to clean the fridge properly. If you love to watch my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Life with Esther. I thank you all for watching my videos. For my old subscribers, thank you. And if this is the first time you're watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this video.